Multiplication table of 1. Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn something super cool. The multiplication table of 1. Are you ready? Let's go! Multiplication means repeated addition. When we multiply by 1, we are just repeating the number 1 time. Let's see how it works with apples. 1 times 1 is what? One times 1 is 1. Here we have one group of 1 apple. So, 1 times 1 is 1 apple. Next, 2 times 1 is what? Two times 1 is 2. Here we have two groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2. So, 2 times 1 is 2 apples. Next, 3 times 1 is what? Three times 1 is 3. Here we have 3 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times 1 is 3 apples. Next, 4 times 1 is what? 4 times 1 is 4. Here we have 4 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 times 1 is 4 apples. Next, 5 times 1 is what? 5 times 1 is 5. Here we have 5 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 times 1 is 5 apples. Next, 6 times 1 is what? 6 times 1 is 6. Here we have 6 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 times 1 is 6 apples. Next, 7 times 1 is what? 7 times 1 is 7. Here we have 7 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 times 1 is 7 apples. Next, 8 times 1 is what? 8 times 1 is 8. Here we have 8 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 times 1 is 8 apples. Next, 9 times 1 is what? 9 times 1 is 9. Here we have 9 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 times 1 is 9 apples. Next, 10 times 1 is what? 10 times 1 is 10. Here we have 10 groups of 1 apple each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 times 1 is 10 apples. Multiplication table of 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. 4 times 1 equals 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. 6 times 1 equals 6. 7 times 1 equals 7. 8 times 1 equals 8. 9 times 1 equals 9. 10 times 1 equals 10. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for learning with us.